Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to reset WizTree on your Windows computer step by step. If WizTree isn't working as expected, your settings have become misconfigured, or you simply want to restore the default configuration, resetting the application can often solve the problem. So let's get started. First, close WizTree completely. If it's still running, exit the application and make sure there are no WizTree processes active in Task Manager. This ensures the program isn't using its configuration files while you reset it. Next, check whether your version of WizTree includes a built-in option to restore the default settings. If you find a Reset or Restore Defaults option in the Options or Settings menu, use it and confirm the action. Yeah, this is the quickest way to return the application to its original configuration. If your version doesn't include a reset option, you can reset WizTree by removing its configuration file or by uninstalling the application and installing the latest version from the official WizTree website. I mean, a clean reinstall usually restores the default settings and replaces any damaged program files. After the reset is complete, launch WizTree again and perform a fresh scan of one of your drives. Review the default settings and customize them again if needed to match your preferences. Finally, confirm that the issue you were experiencing has been resolved. If everything is working normally, your reset was successful and WizTree is ready to use again, and that's it. You now know how to reset WizTree and restore its default settings on your Windows computer. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next